for a service advisor, high client satisfaction is the utmost important. It takes the combination of technical knowledge, organization skills, and empathy to perform well. So, service advisor with the most outstanding performance in 2025. And the winner for service advisor of the year is Judelkem of Tucson, Community Bacolod. Congratulations, Judelkem. Now, draw attention to detail. Amazing technical prowess. These are the traits that goes to the next winner. This award goes to the service technician with the most outstanding performance in 2025. And the winner for service technician of the year is Armando Magos of Hyundai Bacolod.